Good morning, Jeff Jones, Boise Realtor. We're going to take a tour of a new house that just came on the market. This is in the Plantation Golf Course, just off the Boise Greenbelt. And first off, you're greeted by this paver driveway with a pond on either side. It's early March, so those aren't running yet. They'll be starting here in a few weeks. The front landscape is actually taken care of for you by the HOA. This is in the Plantation Golf Course. It's been renamed to the River Club recently. So most of the homeowners in this area are members of the River Club. Fresh new paint on all the exterior, and then this garage door actually opens sideways here. I'll show you how that works to allow an extra couple feet to get in here. Lots of built-in storage in this home, and if you want, you can store all of your holiday decorations upstairs. So this door is a little interesting here. Custom designed. Check that out. So it gives you a couple more feet since you don't have the garage door roll up above. I don't know why a lot of doors aren't like that, but custom made to fit an adventure van in here. In fact, this whole home was designed by the original owner, who was an architect, and designed it for this lot. Check out these nice front doors. So it's 1 story, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,200 square feet. I'll put the information below this video. So you've got some built-ins here. It comes with the TV, gas fireplace. Might as well turn that on here in a second. And then here's your kitchen. Lots of storage, a little pantry there. Laundry, washroom back here. And then you've got this giant food pantry area here. The husband's wife used this as a craft room. She actually had 2 sewing machines built in here for quilting, and all of her drawers for her crafting. And then we'll check out the garden out on the side. It's a terraced garden, all with drip lines, automatic sprinklers already set up. So nice long private drive. So this home was custom built to fit on this parcel. This room was being used as an office, and then guest room, full bath, primary bedroom. You have an armoire here, dual vanities, walk-in closet, and then you've got the tub back there and a shower. We're going to go out this door. So direct access to the backyard. You've got Lake Harbor right behind these townhouses. These townhouses right here are on the other side of a road, and they're actually on the waterfront. They're on the lake. So lots of privacy back here. Got a little gazebo. Looks like all this Irish ivy is growing back here, but first, this deck has been redone in the last year. Lots of shade. So you're facing south in this direction. So the sun in the middle of the summer is going to come up over the top. It's still a little late in the fall, so it's kind of here. In December, it's going to be a little bit lower through here. And then there's a walking path that comes up here. You can see some drip water lines. And this ivy has just grown all over this area, but there's a waterfall. You could just pull that ivy up, and there's a waterfall that runs through here and ran from this pump underneath here, which is fed from the Boise River, which is about 200 feet there that way, or 200 yards that way. So you can get to the Greenbelt walking out of the front of the house and cut through a path there. You've got some perennials, some roses. A lot of this stuff is coming back, especially over here. You've got roses right in there. And then let's see the side yard with the garden. This is going to be on the southwest side of the house. Looks like some tulips are already starting to come up here. So this is a terraced area with all of your watering set up and even a little garden center out back. Jeff Jones, listing agent. All the details will be below for this house. Let me know if you're interested. Thanks. Bye.